the 2026 Dacia Duster is just a cheap SUV? Wait until you see the hidden features most owners never discover. Welcome back to Supercar. If you love hidden features, honest reviews, and the latest car news, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Today we're uncovering 10 amazing features of the 2026 Dacia Duster that most people don't know about. Despite its budget price, Dacia has packed this SUV with clever engineering and practical technology that can surprise even buyers of far more expensive rivals. Let's get started. 1. YouClip, the cabin that adapts to you. What if you could attach a phone holder, cup holder, flashlight, or tablet anywhere in your SUV with one click? That's exactly what Dacia's YouClip system does. With up to 7 mounting points across the cabin and boot, you can securely attach factory accessories without messy suction cups or cheap mounts. One clever accessory even combines a cup holder, LED reading light, and bag hook, making the Duster's interior surprisingly practical and customizable. 2. Roof rails that transform in minutes. Need roof bars for bikes, a roof box, or kayaks? The Duster already has them. Its clever roof rails rotate into full roof crossbars in under 2 minutes. Using a simple built-in tool, they can carry up to 80 kilos of gear, then fold back into sleek roof rails when you're done. Saving money, reducing wind noise, and improving efficiency. 3. Scratch-resistant body protection. The Duster's rugged plastic cladding isn't just for looks. Made from Starkle, a material containing 20% recycled polypropylene, it's unpainted all the way through. That means small scratches won't expose bright plastic or require expensive repairs. It's tougher, more eco-friendly, and perfect for drivers who enjoy light off-roading. 4. A built-in camper. What if your SUV could become a camper in just a couple of minutes? With Dacia's optional InNature Sleep Pack, the boot transforms into a 190 cm double bed with hidden storage underneath. Add the custom blackout blinds and optional tailgate tent, and the Duster becomes a compact camping vehicle ready for weekend adventures without major setup. 5. A smarter hybrid transmission. The 2026 Duster Hybrid doesn't use a conventional automatic gearbox. Instead, it features a clutchless, multi-mode transmission that combines a petrol engine with 2 electric motors for smoother, more efficient driving. It always starts in electric mode, delivers instant response, and uses regenerative braking to recover energy. In city driving, it can run on electric power for up to 80% of the time, cutting fuel consumption significantly. 6. Off-road tech you wouldn't expect. Most budget SUVs offer basic 4-wheel drive. The Duster goes much further. Its a 4x4 terrain control system includes auto, snow, mud, sand, off-road, and eco modes. The 10.1-inch touchscreen even displays live off-road data, including pitch, roll, and torque distribution. Combined with 217mm of ground clearance and downhill speed control, it gives drivers useful off-road information normally found in much more expensive Portaforce. 7. Cleaning up after a muddy trek usually means hours of vacuuming, but the Duster's interior is literally built to be washed down. In the extreme trim level, Dacia equips the Duster with microcloud, plastic-coated textile upholstery, and heavy-duty, topographical rubber floor mats. Unlike traditional cloth seating that absorbs mud, sweat, and water, microcloud fabric is water-resistant, soft to the touch, and can be easily wiped clean with a damp cloth or sponge after a long day of outdoor adventures. The floor mats feature custom topographical mat patterns of mountain ranges and are designed with high raised edges to trap water, dirt, and snow. You can effortlessly pop the rubber mats out of the cabin, hose them down in seconds, and snap them back into place without worrying about ruining your car's carpets. 8. If you dislike modern safety systems constantly chiming and interfering with your drive, Dacia has created the ultimate solution. European safety regulations require all modern vehicles to feature mandatory driver assistance alerts, such as lane keep assist, speed limit warnings, and driver attention monitoring on most new cars. Disabling these annoying chimes every time you start the engine requires digging through endless digital touch menus. Dacia solved this frustration by installing a physical button on the dashboard labeled My Safety. With this feature, you can program your exact preferred safety settings into the car's memory once. Every single time you start the car, simply press the physical My Safety button, and the vehicle instantly switches to your personalized safety profile, turning off unwanted acoustic warnings without taking your eyes off the road. 9. Why pay extra for complex infotainment systems when the powerful computer in your pocket can do a better job? On entry-level trims, Dacia offers an ingenious feature called Media Control that replaces the traditional touchscreen with a seamless smartphone integration dock built straight into the upper dashboard. The dock features a secure mounting point that safely holds your smartphone in ideal view of the driver, paired with a nearby USB port for fast charging. By connecting your phone via Bluetooth to the free Dacia Media Control app, your smartphone screen transforms into the car's official infotainment system. You gain direct control over radio stations, media playback, hands-free calling, and navigation directly through your phone screen or the buttons on the steering wheel, delivering a clean, functional setup without forcing buyers to pay for hardware they don't need. 10. What if you could drive over 300 kilometers on a single fill-up while spending significantly less at the gas pump? The 2026 Duster continues Dacia's mastery of factory-fitted bi-fuel technology with the Eco G100 engine, which runs on both gasoline and liquefied petroleum gas, or LPG. Unlike aftermarket conversions, the LPG tank is engineered from the factory and mounted beneath the boot floor where the spare wheel usually sits, meaning zero loss of trunk space. The car features two full-size fuel tanks, a gasoline tank and an LPG tank. You can switch between fuel sources seamlessly at the push of a button on the dash, or let the car automatically switch to petrol when the LPG runs out. By utilizing both tanks, the Duster achieves an astounding total driving range of over 300 kilometers while cutting fuel costs and reducing CO2 emissions significantly when running on cleaner LPG fuel. From F1-inspired hybrid gearboxes to clever camping beds and smart modular accessories, the 2026 Dacia Duster proves that affordable cars can be genuinely exciting. Which of these 10 features surprised you the most? Would you take the new Duster on a cross-country road trip or an off-road camping adventure? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with fellow car enthusiasts, and hit subscribe to Supercar for more in-depth automotive reviews and hidden feature breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.